Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can test Shopify payments. Now, this is an easy tutorial. All you need to do, guys, to test Shopify payments, you want to log into your Shopify store. That's the first step. Of course, I'm going to go with this Shopify store. All right, now after you are on the dashboard of your Shopify store, what you guys need to do, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then what you guys need to do next, you want to click on payments. Okay. After, guys, you click on payments, you want to select here, as you can see. Now, if you live in United States, you will find here Shopify payments. So I'm going to try to find, just click on add payment methods. I'm going to search, for example, tests. I'm going to search by a provider. All right, I can't find it. Now, what I'm going to do, okay, as you can see here, guys, I am not able to click on, I'm not able to add here additional payment methods. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the country to France. Okay, of course you can always come back to your original country. I'm going to change it to France right now. I'm going to change it, to France. All right, now what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go back here. I'm going to click on settings and I'm going to click on payments. Now, as you can see, now I am able to choose payment providers. As you can see in the top, I can see payment providers. Now I'm going to click on choose provider, and you want to select here test. For testing Bigos Getaway, click on that. Okay, so what you guys need to do, you want to click on activate. Okay. As you can see, for testing, payment is activated. Now, this payment method is just for testing, so you can act like you are the customer and you complete the purchase and see if there is something wrong with if there is something wrong with completing the payments. Okay. Now, what you guys need to do now, you want to go to your Shopify store. Okay. And I'm going to switch to my another Shopify store right now. Okay, to click on products, and you want to find a product here. Okay, you want to find any product on your Shopify store and click on add to cart. Okay, after you enable the testing payment method, click on add to cart, and you want to click on view cart. Okay, or you can click here. Now, after you are on your cart, what you guys need to do, first, let me show you something. Okay, I'm going to go back to settings and payments. Okay, so I'm going to select here testing. As you can see here, guys, in the card number, you don't need to enter your original card number. You just need to enter your one. Okay, the card number should be one. Okay, other things, like after you click on checkout, you need to enter the address. It doesn't matter if it's correct or not. The address and the card number is going to be one. Okay, the card number, I believe, has 16 numbers, but you only have to add one. Okay, the payment will go through as a test payment. Okay, so if you click on checkout, you will be able, guys, to complete the information because this store is not ready to receive payments. That's why it's not allowing me, guys, to add here the card number and the name and stuff like that. Now, for you just need to enter your information, and if the payment doesn't go through, a solution is to enter your real card information and pay for the order. And after that, you want to click on orders and refund the money to your card. Okay, you can refund the money. If you click on orders, you will find here the transaction that you have made, okay, yourself. You can then click on refund, and then you can refund the payment. Okay, hopefully this video, guys, helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. If this video helped you, please drop a like, and see you guys next video.